You know all these single pasanga people on the internet. Okay, they'll put WhatsApp status, single pasanga. Love is shit. I don't care. I want my teeth to be yellow. What is your problem? Welcome to another Stranger Saturdays where you decide that it's the weekend but you have nothing to do because of the lockdown or because you are socially awkward. Hey, how are you doing? You doing good? You got your vaccine? Are you sure you got your vaccine though? Because what usually when I went for the vaccine, that lady was kind of like, hey, look, poocha, and I was like, hey, poocha, and they were like, so they probably could not even have injected me with the vaccine. I don't know. Probably they just injected me with like sewage water.
Stop it. Get some help.
It's not different from Cochin water, so I would not be able to tell the difference. Stranger Saturdays is what you are trapped in right now. It is a live stream which I do once a week on my YouTube at 10 p.m. And what I usually show in this is I find these random videos from the internet and I put it all together and then I complain about them. Okay. And I make it your problem as well. If you are single, you should hate what I'm about to show you today with passion. You know all these single pasanga people on the internet. Okay, they'll put WhatsApp status, single pasanga. Love is shit. I don't care. All of this they'll put, okay, in their WhatsApp status. Then they will go watch these videos, which I'm about to show you today. Because I'm about to show you very short videos. It's barely 10 seconds long. But my God, so much happens in that 10 seconds that I am already pissed off from that. So like these WhatsApp statuses, these cute videos which they put, like, it's only like 5-10 seconds long. This is coming from somewhere in China. It is of an animated couple. Their names are Lear, L-E-E-R, I'm pronouncing it incorrectly, obviously, and Guao Gao or Gao Gao. Whatever, his name is something weird. It's their videos, and it's two anatomically correct human beings, I guess, doing these cute couple things, which might have made you feel nice inside and warm, maybe when you are 13 years old. But fortunately, we are not 13 years old. At least I hope. If there is a 13-year-old who is watching this, please go to sleep. Okay, today's episode is not safe. Also, before I start, I just wanted to say that because it's like all cute couple shit and all, do you know what I decided? Like, I thought like that background lighting which you're seeing there, right? I thought I'll make it like pink lighting or something like that, to fit the episode. But my remote died. Like my remote which I used to control that lighting, that is like, no bro, no, not happening. Pink and all, no need. I'm going to search for and look at what I'm searching for. Cute anime couple. And you notice how the second option itself is not just cute anime couple. It is cute anime couple, that emoji which is bathing in hearts, a black heart and 2 fires. Why? By the way, I just did that because I was trying to kill a mosquito. Okay, not that I was applauding for this thing. Video, which I think I'll just go with the first one. Okay, and immediately I am getting an advertisement. Visibly white. I want my teeth to be yellow. What is your problem? I will tell you the characters of this drama, rom-com, horror film. Yeah, we'll go with that. The characters of this horror story, I will tell you. There is that this cute girl who you are seeing. There is also a cute boy who looks like basically this girl with short hair, slightly taller and wearing men's clothes. So I'm assuming that is boy and girl. I don't want to misgender anyone. Okay, please don't cancel me. Then there is this person who you are seeing on the edge of the frame, which I am going to call Spike Dude because his hair is like this. He's a bloody rhinoceros. You know what? I am going to call him Rhinoceros Dude. Okay. So we have cute girl, cute boy and rhinoceros. Okay. These are the 3 characters of this drama. First video I will show you right now. Watch.
18th time, you know the one with that guy. Halfway through, look at you, smiling like...
Why? So cute girl is just standing in the middle of nowhere doing absolutely nothing, staring off into the distance. Probably viewing her impending doom. Okay. Rhinoceros boy, this rhinoceros is apparently like he's wearing his boxer shorts. That's very confident of him. He's coming to give her a bouquet of roses. But before he could manage to do that, so he took the trouble to buy bouquet of roses. The bouquet is not like single rose, right? Bouquet, wrapping, everything, all he did. And whilst he is going to give her that, what happens? This random bastard comes from nowhere and tackles her, probably destroying all of her rib cages. And this guy is now sad. See, of course he is sad because he just witnessed murder. You have to sell your own pants, so you have to walk around in public wearing only your boxer shorts. And then you walk up to your crush and you're like, hey, I bought these for you. But before you could complete your sentence, out of nowhere comes some random genetically altered human being apparently. Like, I am Speed, shum. And then completely obliterates her. Okay, this same thing happens in the beginning of Amazon's The Boys. There it was horror. Here it is apparently cute anime couple. This is why rhinoceros are rhinoceri. I don't know. This is why rhinoceros are going extinct. Okay, because when they try to mate, someone is coming and taking their the females of their species. Where are we? Oh yeah, we have more of this nonsense coming. Let me just get the correct time. Okay, that's right. I went through these videos and I got the correct time and I wrote it down. That is how much I am dedicated towards this nonsense. A rhinoceros, no, he is not trying to puncture the ball with his horn. He's playing basketball. Okay, I just paused at the very right opportunity. And then this other guy is like badminton and he's like, what are you doing on a basketball court with a badminton racket? Which I feel is a legitimate question. Okay, but what happens? How does this girl keep teleporting? You know what? Just watch the rest. And suddenly we are in an episode of Naruto, apparently. She is like, oh look, so we are so much in love. Come, we will walk together like this and all. And this guy, for some reason, now he has a mismanagement of this thing, his expectation. Suddenly he summons his dark magic, throws the ball at them. And the guy is useless, he doesn't do anything. The girl summons her pink magic, stops the ball midair, but it somehow still spins in her hand. And then she does that and smacks it back at him. No, she smacks it backwards. And this guy is like, oh no, it's a witch. But the most confusing video, I will show you. It's, I have to search for them by the actor Lear and... So this is, status, there you go. Lear and Guo. That's who they are. That's the couple's name. I don't know who's Lear and who's Guo. You are about to witness 10 seconds that will confuse you forever in your life. Enjoy. This is by the most famous. This is the video which got me interested into this. This is the first video which I saw. It's pretty famous. People have seen this video and they have reenacted this in live. That is how famous this is. Let's go through that. One second. What the hell we just witnessed? Both these two people are walking in opposite directions. The guy, his face of complete, look at his face. He's whistling. What, unbeknownst to us, he is carrying a baseball bat behind his back. Okay, that is what we are starting with. He has a baseball bat behind him. The girl does not see him. Both of their visions are apparently in the opposite direction. So they bump into each other. And the girl is obviously like, dude, you could have moved. What the hell? So far, we are on the side of the girl. Why was he rude? But he's being extra rude and pushing her. Okay. Chumma, for no reason, he had to do that. And the girl is obviously ready for such a scenario. If you meet a rude person in China, what do? You take a brick which you have been hiding in your bag. I do not know if this brick has been passed down from generations or if this was a new brick which she has just purchased currently, seeing by that shopping bag. But now out of nowhere, because rhinoceros is like the ultimate evolution of humanity, he manifests a baseball bat and threatens her. How is China the most populated country in the world? Won't people just murder each other with baseball bats and bricks? This female knows how to activate his reproductive organs and starts doing this weird dance. Okay, so I don't know about you, but then this face which you're seeing there It doesn't look cute to me. It looks like she's going to eat my soul. Immediately he should have been wary of that, but then he is entertained by this. Okay, this is the person who he forgot that a brick was produced into this scenario few seconds ago, and immediately he is gone. Now, as opposed to what is happening in his pants, the baseball bat goes down. Okay, and then since he loses the baseball bat, he's like, oh no, I cannot function without my baseball bat. So what does he do? Immediately picks up the baseball bat, and at that correct moment, this female turns into, I guess, a Saiyan, activates her killer move, and she's going to smash his head in with a brick, nearby resulting in his immediate death and the extinction of the rhinoceros species. My name is Vinay Menon. So what I want you guys to do is right now, take your ancestral brick and smash that like button. Okay, just smash it, hit subscribe, take that baseball bat, ring that bell into infinity, and follow me on YouTube, because for some reason 60% of the people who watch my videos are not subscribed to me. What the hell? Tell your friends to tell their friends to smash their brick on my like subscribe button as well, and don't forget to send these videos to your couple friends and to annoy them wholly as well. Guys, like the wrap up session of this, which is that this is Stranger Saturdays, streaming once a week, every Saturday 10 p.m. on YouTube. Don't forget guys, every Saturday tell your family to fuck off, don't watch porn, watch Stranger Saturdays instead.